The landscape of wearable technology is on the brink of a seismic shift. For nearly 2 years, a profound quiet has settled over the most ambitious product in Apple's wearable lineup, the Apple Watch Ultra. While the original Ultra stormed onto the scene as a game-changer for athletes, explorers, and everyday users craving unparalleled durability and battery life, its successor, the Ultra 2, felt more like a minor software update bundled in a new case color. This deliberate pause in innovation, a strategic decision by the Cupertino tech giant, has fueled anticipation and speculation for what was to come. Now, the silence is breaking, replaced by a crescendo of leaks, rumors, and industry whispers, all pointing to a singular, monumental event, the long-awaited debut of the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This isn't just an iterative update. It's shaping up to be a total paradigm shift, a definitive reset for what a high-end, rugged smartwatch can and should be. The journey of the Apple Watch Ultra has been anything but conventional. The inaugural model, which premiered in the autumn of 2022, was a clear declaration of intent. It was built for the most demanding environments, a stark contrast to the sleek, urban-focused designs of the standard Apple Watch series. Its robust titanium chassis, formidable battery life, and action-centric features made it an instant hit. With a specific, highly engaged audience, adventure enthusiasts, marathon runners, scuba divers, and anyone seeking a digital companion that could keep pace with their most grueling challenges. However, the subsequent year brought a surprising lull. The Ultra 2, released in 2023, offered minimal hardware improvements, mainly a slightly brighter display and the new S9 system-on-a-chip chip, which felt more like a routine refresh than a true evolution. This was a calculated move. Rather than pushing out another incremental upgrade, Apple appears to have used the time to allow for the maturation of cutting-edge components and display technologies. This strategic delay has elevated the stakes and created an immense pressure for the Ultra 3 to deliver a truly transformative experience. All signs suggest Apple is ready to not only meet but exceed these towering expectations. The technological leap, core innovations of the Apple Watch Ultra 3. The rumored feature set for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 paints a picture of a device that is not merely an extension of the previous models, but a significant technological advancement. This new iteration promises a comprehensive overhaul of the display, processing power, and connectivity, alongside the introduction of potentially life-saving health monitoring tools. A visual revolution, the new display and of the most compelling upgrades is the display. Leaks from the latest iOS 26 beta code point to a new screen resolution of 422/514 pixels. This is a noticeable bump from the Ultra 2's 410/502 resolution, suggesting a physically larger display or, more likely, a reduction in the bezel size. This expanded screen real estate will provide a more immersive and intuitive user interface for navigational apps, detailed health dashboards, and a wealth of other applications. But the improvements don't stop at size. The new wide-angle OLED panel is expected to offer superior viewing angles and enhanced clarity, even in bright sunlight. Furthermore, the integration of LTPO3 display technology will allow for an always-on refresh rate that can drop to as low as 1 refresh per second, resulting in a more fluid user experience and a substantial boost in power efficiency. This dynamic refresh rate is a key component in extending the device's legendary battery life, without compromising on visual quality. Unprecedented power and performance, the S11 SiP in this new generation of wearable technology is the rumored S11 SiP system in package. This next-generation processor is expected to provide significant performance gains over the S9 chip found in its predecessor. Users can anticipate faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and more responsive interactions across the board. The efficiency of the S11 SiP is a critical factor, as it will be tasked with managing the demands of the new, larger display and an array of power-hungry sensors. This refined processing power is the bedrock upon which the Ultra 3's new features are built, ensuring a seamless and fast user experience. Beyond the grid, advanced connectivity and satellite messaging for the core audience of the Apple Watch Ultra. Those who frequently venture off the beaten path, the new connectivity features are nothing short of revolutionary. The Ultra 3 is expected to introduce satellite connectivity for emergency messaging. This feature, which is already available on the latest iPhone models, will allow users to send distress signals and communicate their location even when cellular service is non-existent. This is a crucial safety enhancement for hikers, climbers, and sailors who find themselves in remote or dangerous situations. Complementing this is the rumored upgrade to 5G cellular support. Moving beyond the LTE of previous models, this will transform the Ultra 3 into a more powerful standalone device, capable of faster data speeds and improved network reliability. further reducing the reliance on a connected iPhone. This focus on off-grid communication and robust network performance positions the Ultra 3 as the ultimate tool for personal safety and remote exploration. The guardian of health, new health sensors and metrics. The Apple Watch has always been a powerful health and wellness device, but the Ultra 3 is poised to take this to the next level. A highly anticipated addition is the inclusion of high blood pressure detection. While this feature may not provide a precise blood pressure reading like a medical device, it is expected to track changes in trends, alerting users to potentially dangerous hypertension episodes. This early warning system could be a significant step in preventive healthcare, giving individuals an opportunity to seek medical attention before a serious event occurs. Paired with existing features like ECG, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, and sophisticated sleep analysis, the Ultra 3 is becoming an even more comprehensive health and fitness companion. The watch becomes a proactive wellness tool, not just a passive tracker, a meticulous evolution, not a radical redesign in its 2-year development cycle. Apple appears to have focused on what truly matters to its core demographic. The Ultra 3 is not chasing fleeting design trends. Instead, it is a masterclass in purposeful evolution. The rugged, iconic titanium chassis is expected to remain a testament to its durability and function-first design philosophy. The changes are internal and technological, but they will have a profound impact on how users interact with the device. This approach is in direct contrast to the more incremental updates of the past. The leap from the original Ultra to the Ultra 2 was minimal, leaving many feeling that the second-generation model was not a worthwhile upgrade. This new model, however, with its advanced display, hyper-efficient processor, satellite communication, and groundbreaking health features, provides a clear and compelling reason for both original Ultra owners and those on the sidelines to seriously consider an upgrade. The gap between the Ultra 2 and the Ultra 3 is not just a year, it's a generational divide. The ultimate wearable for the modern adventure-era, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is positioned to be a definitive product in the wearable market. It's a statement that Apple is committed to the pro-grade segment, directly challenging the dominance of brands known for their purpose-built outdoor watches. The combination of a brighter, more expansive display, a powerhouse S11 SiP, and the integration of next-gen health and connectivity features will solidify its place as the ultimate adventure smartwatch for fitness enthusiasts and power users who demand more from their devices. The Ultra 3 will represent a complete package of durability, endurance, and cutting-edge technology. This is the upgrade that Ultra fans have been waiting for, and it promises to redefine expectations for what a smartwatch can achieve. The fall launch, likely alongside the highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup, will be a landmark event for the wearable technology world, setting a new benchmark for innovation and user experience.